The versatile Hamilton Beach digital toaster is a perfect addition to any kitchen. A digital display features bagel, defrost, and cancel functions. Defrost and toast in one easy step with toast shade settings available at a glance. It toasts bagels on one side and warms them on the other. Extra wide slots and a toast boost to lift food for easy removal are great features that make this toaster a must-have. The stylish, smudge-proof brushed finish and the slide-out crumb tray keep the toaster looking great and easy to clean. For safety, the automatic shutoff turns the toaster off at the end of a cycle even if food gets jammed.
Save space on your counter with the KitchenAid 2-slice toaster with high lift lever and enjoy the versatility of 7 shade settings, including bagel, defrost, reheat, and keep warm. A high lift lever lets you easily remove small pieces and check toasting progress anytime. Extra wide 1.5-inch slots allow for a variety of shapes and sizes of artisan breads. Metal housing offers durability and extraordinary style with smudge-resistant painted surfaces for easy cleanup. And a removable crumb tray runs along the entire bottom of the toaster, sliding out for easy cleaning.
Breakfast is served in half the time with the Rapid Toast 2-slice toaster. Here's how it works. Innovative Rapid Toast technology delivers fast, consistent heat that speeds up the toasting process. In just 90 seconds, you get hot, tasty results. Select your preferred toast shade with the selector knob. Then, press the easy-to-use light-up buttons to select different functions. The bagel function toasts the cut side of the bagel and warms the rest. The frozen function thaws and then toasts frozen items like waffles and toaster pastries. The cancel button will end toasting at any time. It's designed with extra wide slots and self-centering guides for thick slices of bread. And when the rapid toast cycle is complete, the lift lever helps remove items safely away from the heat. And cleanup is easy, with crumbs collecting in the swing-down crumb tray. Breakfast faster. Speed up toasting with the Rapid Toast 2-slice toaster.
Introducing the R180, the world's first high-speed smart toaster from Revolution Cooking. Featuring the biggest advancement in heating technology in over 100 years and the first ever user-friendly digital touchscreen display. No more heating coils from the 1800s or toasting the way your great-grandparents did. Just simple, delicious 21st century toasting the way technology intended. Outside, its brushed stainless steel finish and sleek, modern design are worthy of any kitchen countertop. Inside, the R180 features an exclusive diamond-shaped heating system with smart time and temperature controls that heats up and toasts faster, offers true consistent browning while using less energy. Now check out this digital touchscreen, the first of its kind on any toaster. After placing your food in the toaster slots with the cut sides facing inward for bagels and English muffins, use the touchscreen to select which food you're toasting. Pick from 5 food settings: breads, bagels, English muffins, toaster pastries, or waffles. Next, select from 3 toasting modes: fresh, frozen, or reheat depending on your food of choice. And finally, select your desired toasting preference from 7 browning levels. When the start button flashes, give it a tap and watch the countdown timer during the last 10 seconds. And our exclusive smart algorithm temperature control system ensures consistent results. The R180 redefines what it means to be a smart toaster. Oh look, toast just the way you like it. Crunchy outside yet moist and flavorful inside. How smart is that? When not in use, the touchscreen will display date and time in either digital or analog mode, making the R180 attractive and functional. You can also personalize your toaster. Press the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings menu. From here, you can select your ideal settings and functions for things like the volume for the alert when your food is done toasting, the brightness level for the digital touchscreen, and even a setting for large bakery bagels. And there's also a removable crumb tray and reminder to alert when it's time to clean. Additional features for the R180 include auto lift and lower and a countdown timer so you can see when your food is almost done. So there you have it, the all-new R180 high-speed smart toaster from Revolution Cooking.
Cuisinart is revolutionizing the kitchen appliance world once again with the design of touchscreen toasters. Available in a 2- or 4-slice version, both units have dual 1.5-inch toasting slots to accommodate different types of bread at once. Press the power button in the lower right-hand corner to reveal touchscreen controls. Check the status of your toast without interrupting the process by using the Quick View feature. Lift the lever anytime to observe the browning of your toast so you get the perfect shade every time. Use the customized settings to toast a bagel, defrost frozen bread, or quickly toast up a single slice. The Add 30 Seconds button is great to extend time for desired browning, with shade settings ranging from 1 to 6. And to stop toasting at any time, just use the Cancel button. The 2 and 4 slice toasters have a removable crumb tray for easy cleaning and a cord wrap for convenient storage. When the toaster is not in use, only the power button will be illuminated, giving a sleek, streamlined appearance to any kitchen. Get the perfect shade every time with the Cuisinart touchscreen toasters.